guys, and welcome to the workshop, this week's edition of DIY screen printing. Okay, really quick I'm going to show you how to prep your t-shirt for screen printing. I have a piece of cardboard that's about 14 by 16. You're going to go from the collar here and make sure that your piece of cardboard is centered in the t-shirt. Now you're going to want to pull it tight, but not stretch it. And then when you pull it up, you're going to just take up the slack and tape it down. You should notice the seams from your sleeves would be about the same distance from the edge of the cardboard. And give this a little bit of a pull to bring it tight. Okay, that looks good. That way when you pull your ink across, you're not going to get any movement in your screen and you're not going to have a double image on your t-shirt. Just as a precaution, I am taping the inside line of my screen because when I put the photo emulsion on it, you can't get exactly perfectly to the screen and you don't want any ink to get underneath there. So I'm just going to tape it off on the front and the back. Make sure you're not covering any of your design there. And I can actually see where my tape is on the other side, so I'm just going to follow that line. Again, make sure I have about 1/4 inch of my fingertips underneath on both the top and the bottom because that's going to ensure you're straight on your t-shirt. Okay, this is my Speedball fabric ink specifically for screen printing. This stuff is really thick. Just going to put a bead of the ink here at the top. The whole distance of your image. And then you're going to press down and put your squeegee at about a 45-degree angle. And then you're going to pull with decent pressure. Make sure I'm not leaving excess ink on my letters, but that everything gets pulled through evenly. I can set that guy right there. And there we have it.